Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out Huawei's brand new mid-range beast, the Huawei Nova 14i. It's sleek, powerful, and surprisingly affordable. Let's see if it's worth your money in 2025. Right out of the box, the Nova 14i looks premium. Curved edges, ultra-thin bezels, and that signature Nova glow finish on the back. It packs a 6.7-inch Full HD Plus OLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate. Scrolling feels buttery smooth, and colors pop whether you're gaming, watching Netflix, or just scrolling through Instagram. Under the hood, it's powered by Huawei's Kirin 5G chipset, paired with up to 12 gigabytes of RAM and 512 gigabyte storage. Everyday use, lightning fast, gaming, smooth and lag-free. Plus, EMUI is more optimized than ever, with great battery management and super clean UI transitions. The camera setup is impressive for this price. 108-megapixel main lens, 8-megapixel ultra-wide, and a 2-megapixel depth sensor. Photos come out crisp with solid dynamic range. The 32-megapixel selfie cam handles skin tones beautifully. And that 5,000 mAh battery with 66-watt fast charging, you'll go from 0 to 70% in just 30 minutes. So, should you buy it? If you want flagship-level looks, strong performance, and amazing battery life without breaking the bank, the Huawei Nova 14i delivers big time. It's stylish, fast, and built for modern users. Huawei is definitely back in the mid-range game. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and drop your thoughts below. Would you pick the Nova 14i over Samsung or OnePlus? Let's talk!